I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assembling paper and glue. This is where choices matter. Cut sheets into your target size, 3x3 is standard, using a ruler and cutter for clean edges. Once done, stack the sheets neatly, aligning corners precisely. Press them with a clipboard or heavy book to hold alignment. Make sure to leave a few extra sheets for test runs because the adhesive layer will change how pages separate. This first step sets the quality for every note you make, so take a little care now. Now you create the adhesive strip. Mix PVA glue with about 10 to 20% water to make it spreadable and less likely to warp the paper. Once mixed, lay the stacked paper on a cutting mat with the top edge exposed. Using a flat brush, apply a thin adhesive band roughly 1/4 inch wide along that edge, steady strokes, light pressure. After brushing, run a bone folder or edge of a ruler across the band to remove air and ensure contact, and then clamp the stack. You finish by drying and testing. Stand the clamped stack upright for 2 to 3 hours so the glue sets evenly, and check separation after about 30 minutes to gauge tack. If notes stick too firmly, lightly mist the glue edge with water or very gently sand the dried strip to reduce adhesion. Conversely, if notes peel too easily, add a thin second coat. Finally, trim any uneven edges and press the pad flat for an hour before using. This locks in alignment and ensures consistent pulls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.